Welcome to our Getting Started video tutorial for our Representative Loan Terms Database, or RLT. This short video will provide you with an introductory guide to using RLT, including an explanation of each of the key search functions and how to make the best use of this powerful database. To begin, navigate your way to the DebtXplained website and onto the login page. Next, you will need to enter your login ID and password. The links across the top of your screen allow you to navigate between the various databases and products. For today's tutorial, we will just be focusing on the RLT database. Upon loading up RLT, you will see a schedule which sets out a summary of the key derived data for each loan in our database. The loans are grouped by half year, but will be scrambled within differing orders for each half year category every time you log in. There are two search functions which allow you to search and compare terms across the loan database: the search assistant and the term tracker. These can be used separately or in conjunction with each other to narrow and focus your various searches. Starting firstly with the term tracker. The RLT term tracker contains both predefined tables and the ability to create your own tables to search specified covenant terms across the whole database. There are 33 predefined tables. To see a predefined table, simply go to the term tracker and press on Hide, like so, in respect of the predefined table you wish to view. If you wish to review the contents of a predefined table, click on Edit Table, and it will then show the covenant categories which are included. You are also able to amend predefined tables, but we will come on to that shortly. To exit out of this view, just push Cancel. Once you have chosen the tables you wish to view, click on Show Tables. The predefined tables you have clicked will then appear. So in this instance, you can see we selected Dealer Overview and Basics, the deal type, pricing and reaction, and also the change of control and portability. You can then review these specific covenants across each of the loans. If you are looking for a specific term or particular mix of terms that are not in a predefined table, then you can make your own table. Simply click back on Term Tracker and click on Create New Table. You may remember this screen from earlier when we looked at how to review the contents of a predefined table. Using the contents listed on the left-hand side, click on the plus icon to open out the index of contents and select specific terms. Once chosen, a term will appear on the right. I'm going to select the governing law of the facilities, the covenant package, and financial covenant types. A maximum of 8 controls can be added to one table. When you have finished creating your table, remember to give it a name. And then push Save. Finally, to view the table, push Show Tables. Each of the predefined tables already selected, as well as your own table, will now show. The tables that you have created show your selected covenants across all of the leveraged loan deals contained within the RLT database. However, you may wish to filter by certain criteria, like governing law, for example, or a particular term, like EBITDA equity cure. This is where the search assistant is used. The search assistant opens up into multiple general and specific fields which you can search. If we look over near the Search Now button, we see that prior to activating any search filters, we have 118 deals in our RLT database. Coming back to the search functions, let's put some search filters into play. If I click on Financials, and then on Equity Cure Allocation, and then click Yes in respect of whether there's an ability to cure financial defaults, you will see that of the 118 deals, 110 have an equity cure of some sort. If we further focus our search as to whether the borrower is required to make a prepayment from the cure amount, you will see that we've further reduced the loans in our search down to 50. We can see that the fields being filtered, financials and equity cure allocation, appear now with a red circle and a number, which specifies how many searches are active. These searches can also be viewed via the summary page. If we click on Search Now, and all tables that are active in your search, whether these be predefined tables or ones you have created, will be filtered by your search criteria. So for all of the deals we now see, we know that they have an equity cure within them and that the borrower is obliged to make a prepayment from any equity cure amount. Should certain deals appear of particular relevancy, you can tick them on the left, like so. And by clicking on the drop-down menu here, we can rank our clicked deals in ascending order. Clicking through to the different covenant tabs, we now see that the deals that we've highlighted are ranked in the same order, allowing us to easily view the various covenants across these specific deals. So this is basic table creation and filtering. If you wish to save your searches to be able to review at a later date, click on Save. Give your search a name, and click Save. Your search will now automatically be updated every time the database is updated with new deals, making it easy to track those key covenant terms across the market. You are also able to share a search you've done with your colleagues by using the Share function. By clicking on Share, an email will be opened up containing a link to that search, which can be shared with any other RLT subscribers. To clear all of the current searches and filterings, click on New and OK. And your screen will be reset. When looking to filter any search by less common terms, the Advanced option in Search Assistant is available, which opens up a full index of over 250 terms. Say you wanted to look at English law governed cover line or cover loose deals only. First, you would need to limit your search to deals which are governed by England and Wales law. Like so. You would then select the covenant package under covenant package type and choose your level of filter. I'm going to look at all deals other than those which have a traditional maintenance covenant package. You will see that by applying these filters, we have limited our search to 23 of the 118 deals within the deal database. Pressing Search Now to view those deals which meet these filtered conditions. In addition to understanding the variety of covenant packages which are being agreed in English law, cover-light or cover-loose deals, I'm also interested in looking at the material EBITDA add-backs which are found in these types of transactions. So I will click on Term Tracker and select the Predefined Table EBITDA. Which covers material add-backs to EBITDA, and click Show Tables. As mentioned, the Advanced Search Assistant allows you to filter your search by over 250 covenant terms, which highlights how powerful the RLT database is. However, we appreciate that this can also be a little daunting. To combat this, our experienced team are close at hand to assist with any queries. You can simply click Ask a Question and then send us an email. And our team will be able to come back to you to assist you in navigating and effectively using the RLT database. Thank you very much.